In this video, I'm going to give you 3 secret prompt engineering hacks you must use if you want to get the best outcome with ChatGPT. And with using these, you will definitely get that. So without further ado, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. But now, let's get right into this. Okay, so first what we want to do is we want to go to ChatGPT, of course. And now that we are in ChatGPT, we want to first of all just come up with a prompt. So for example, say, give me a quick summary. So this would just be a normal prompt, and now if we enter, it will just give a quick summary of World War II as we asked for. But now here comes in our first prompt engineering hack. And the first prompt engineering hack, if I just stop that right now, is to say something like, so just like that, and this will give us a way better outcome than the first one, because even though the first one is good, this one will really specify and perfect things, since the chatbot basically is a historian with 30 years experience. So you can always put this in front, act as a historian, act as a marketing manager with 30 years experience or whatever. So always act as an expert in some kind of way in front of your actual prompt, and you will get a way better outcome. So let's just click enter right now. And now it is giving us a brief summary. So that was the hack number 1. Now the next ChatGPT hack we can do is we can specify things. So whenever we are doing something, so let's just come up with a prompt. I just came up with make me a meal plan for 1 week. And now we can specify it. So that is always helpful for ChatGPT to do it better. So now we can say include chicken. So maybe something ingredients you have at home. So now I just quickly came up with something. And this is the part where I specified what we are looking for. And this will give you a way better outcome. So now if we just click enter, we can see that it will give us a nice meal plan with chicken and beans and toast. Toast with peanut butter and banana slices. And now it's making all these nice things. So that was the secret hack number 2 for ChatGPT. And now let's move on to the last hack. And the last hack is to basically use other sources for ChatGPT. So whenever you are unsure of some prompting thing, you can always just search for free ChatGPT Prompts website, search for that, and then we can go on GitHub right here, and here there are so many free prompts people used. So if you scroll down, you can see act as an Excel sheet, act as an English pronunciation helper. So that is great. So this is the secret hack number 3. You can always just go on these websites and then copy all of this prompt, because it's sometimes hard to come up with a prompt yourself. And there are thousands of prompts on these websites for you to use. Now, if you want more secret prompts, I would definitely recommend you to buy my ebook, the ChatGPT Guide, since I have free prompts in there and also some secret for ChatGPT that are not mentioned in this video. So I would definitely check out that ebook if I were you. But now, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.